Hello everyone and welcome to another video from me, and today I want to take a closer look at this detail up kit from Hobby Design with the code HD03-0386, and this is to turn your Fujimi Mitsubishi Evo 9 into a Sea West body kit Mitsubishi Evolution. As you can see, over here we have the Evo 9, however I have seen people fitting this particular body kit to also the Evo 7 and Evo 8 kits, so I think that with some minor modifications it would be also good for the other two Evo from the same generation. And also this is I bought it for a friend of mine, and before making delivery I decided to make this unboxing because this kit, this detail up kit, is still available to buy, so why not show everything, every part that is included, so that you would know exactly what you're going to buy before actually buying it. And from what I've seen inside, it is quite an interesting kit. Let's begin by taking everything out of the box, and we have some yellow resin pieces together with several photo etch, and also exactly the same size as the box is the instruction manual right there, nothing more. So there we go, these are all the pieces that are included, and from what I can see you have the front bumper, hood, side skirts, rear spoiler, intercooler, photo etch pieces, and more photo etch pieces together with the manual. And now let's start to take a closer look at what exactly you get, beginning with the front bumper. Let's open it up. And as you can see, it is molded quite nicely. Just some sanding for the surface necessary, however nothing major. We cut the extra pieces, and also the front grille needs to be drilled through. However, as you can see, light is passing freely. It's a very thin piece of resin, so that shouldn't be a problem to drill through. Nothing at all. And from what I can see, it's quite a nice bumper also. So that is the front bumper to turn your Evolution into a Sea West front by using this bumper right there. Let's open the second bag with the resin pieces. That has fallen over. Now let's take a look at the front at the bonnet, at the hood. Once again, nicely molded. We have the windscreen wipers and also the wipers guard over there. Also, it even has that bulge in the middle like the original Evolution hood. Some flash pieces to cut out on, at the bottom, as you can see. A nice detail with the vent, which is already cut. Just some sanding for the flash pieces, however nothing major. I can see that it is nicely molded. What's more, we have the side skirts over there. Two side skirts, left and right. As you can see, they are not straight, so I don't think that should be a problem to fit them in place. Nice molding. Once again, very little cleaning required. And also the rear spoiler. And as you can see, there is a gap in between the two spoilers, just like the real thing. And that makes it a better view from here. And that makes it very realistic indeed. We have the support stays and everything. And once again, just some flash marks to take care of, but otherwise it is nicely molded. Okay, so those are more resin pieces. The small bag that contains photo etch and resin, this time, beginning with the intercooler. There is no detail on the intercooler, it is flat, as we can see. However, that is because we need to install the photo etch over there, and that will make the required detail for the intercooler. Very nice. Over here we have some ties. So this is for the front and rear part of the intercooler to make it realistic from both sides. Right there. And finally, the last piece containing more than one pieces of photo etch. Let's begin to see, because I can see 3 sheets of photo etch together with a back containing some rivets. There we go. We have the tiny rivets. Those are dedicated for the rear spoiler to be attached to the pillars, to assemble the pillars together, which are these right here. As you can see, we have the pillars for the rear spoiler, and these, you can see the tiny holes, these attach together so that you assemble the supports for the rear spoiler. And these ones over here, they are the canards for the front bumper. And when I say canards, over here we have the canards for the front bumper. So that's the second photo etch. The third photo etch is the vents, and we have the vents for the hood and also for the grille and the front bumper. So those are the meshes that are required. Very nice. And finally, we have another sheet which looks similar to the radiator over there, the radiator ones, and also another grill. And let's be sure exactly what they are by referring to the instruction manual, which is quite big also. That's great that they supply these kind of instructions, because I'm sure they will be helpful. Beginning, you have the all the parts that are included, resin parts, which are right there, all the parts, all the photo etch pieces, together with 14 rivets. We have it like that. First picture starts showing you exactly where you need to attach the photo etch pieces one by one. Hood vent, the bumper mesh also, each one where you need to attach them. Moving to the right, we can see an illustration showing each piece of the rear spoiler where it needs to be attached. Also adding the rivets over here. Lots of patience is required, however it will be very realistic when completed. I have completed a similar spoiler like this. It takes a lot of patience, however it becomes very realistic once completed. As we can see, pictures of an actually finished one, rear spoiler. And over here we have, as mentioned before, the grill for the intercooler right there. And here we can see the canards that are being explained, and they also tell you to drill with a 0.3mm drill bit into the bumper so that you will be able to attach the canards, which are right here. And that is because over here you have some tiny, very tiny pieces protruding from the canards, and with those holes you will be able to align them perfectly inside the bumper. Once again, another illustration showing all the photo etch pieces where they need to be actually attached. On the rear side it's empty, so those are all the instructions that you will have with the kit. So that is all from me. I really hope you find this unboxing helpful, especially if you're considering buying this hobby design transkit for the Fujimi Evolution while it is still available to buy. I'm not sure about the fitment. I have tried to make some online searches. I did see many finished builds, so I'm guessing that there shouldn't be a big problem fitting them to your Evolution. If you have already built this transkit, this detail upset on your Evolution, let me know in the comments below. I will be more than happy to know if there are any fitment issues with this detail upset. So that is all from me. I thank you all for watching. Please subscribe for more videos from me. Consider leaving a like, that will be very appreciated, and I will see you all into my next video.